Hey guys, today I'm gonna be opening a squishy package, and yeah, so so I'm gonna place this movie for a while. So I got two squishy packages, but I don't know what is inside. So it gave me note and this wet little glue. Well, so I got blue and purple. So, but this girl asked me to open last. But this is not the same seller, so it's okay. I will open this purple last. Then I'm gonna be opening this. What is this? A blue package first. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna open this note first and then read it. Ew, this hair. Okay, never mind at least. Oop, I just stared it. But it's okay. Sorry about the motorcycle, but I'm gonna read this. Wet. It's shows that nothing, but it's only wet. Don't mind that wet thingy. Just read. Bread weird faces ×2 at the inside by 2 for $3.20. And the second one is mini turtle for $2. And the last one, mini donut with drizzle and sprinkles for $4.50. Total is $9.70. Thank you for that, but I don't know what. So let's open the package. So I'm gonna open it. Like, I'm so scared what it is. So yeah, I'm not that scared when I get to read the paper, but I'm scared what is inside. I open it and you guys need to know what I saw. So I don't know what's inside. So, but I saw the first thing. So it is this donut. But it's also defect a lot. But I don't care. And there's no package about this. It's okay. Thank you for that. Thank you so much. Now the next squishy package. Okay, now sorry about that. It's my sister. There's a defect here, but it's a mediator. Soft, and it smells strawberry. So thank you for that. Now let's get to the next squishy. So this is my OMG. I'm gonna squish it inside the package. Oh my gosh, so squishy. Now I'm gonna open the package. So be right back. So this is out of the packaging, and this is oh my gosh. Would you look at this? Super slow rising. Hold it and wait. So slow rising.
Wow, I want that.
No. Let's get to my next squishy. Alright. Now let's get on my.
No, I don't want.
Yep, it is with white sprinkles and red. I don't know if it's like that. My last squishy is this. This is the same. Oh my gosh, but this is so soft. Could you look at that? Could you? Oh my.
Okay.
And Please watch part 2 because part 2 have my other squishy package. So.
Squishy.